Bro, I love coming to the zoo, man. Man, I want to go home, bro. It's only been 5 minutes. We came here at 2, and then now it's 4:35. We got here at 4:29. Bro, my God, bro. Look at that gorilla. Man, I don't know how it's possible that there can be monkeys and like gorillas that can be like the same color as me. Wait, there's a monkey right there. Nah, you tripping. Brother, I ain't no monkey. Get back in your cage. Nah, bro. I got free. Nah, what? Listen here up, monkey. No, what did bro say? Bananas. You racist, man. If you want, I could give you fried chicken, some watermelon, bro, and some grape flavor Kool-Aid. Brother, I said I ain't no monkey. I said get back in your cage. Nah, G tripping. Nah, bro's crashing out. Nah, what? Brother, I said I ain't no monkey. I said I ain't no monkey. You still want that fried chicken? Nah, bro, what? With the watermelon and grape flavor Kool-Aid? Nah, G tripping. Yeah. Nah, bro, what? I think bro's fine.